Hi, Jaden. I'm here to do your first reading lesson with you today. Before we get started, I just want to go over a few expectations for when we're working together. Number one, you find a nice place to work, one that's clutter-free and distraction-free. It could be at a kitchen table, which is where I'm working. It could be at a desk if you have one, or even on your bedroom floor. Just find what works for you. Number two is that you'll have your device fully charged and ready to go. If you have a laptop or a tablet that you're using, make sure it's charged so that it doesn't go dead halfway through. And number three, that you'll have your materials ready. So right now we're doing reading. So for reading, you'll need your orange exercise book, you'll need your storybook, and then you'll need your skills and comprehension book, and a sharpened pencil and an eraser. So go ahead and push pause, and when you're ready to start, come back with me. And we will go ahead and get started. So we're going to get started with our exercise book. So for your exercise book, let me see something real quick here. For your exercise book, remember it's this little orange book here. And we are starting Unit 3. I know it's been a while since we've done this. I know we started day 1, so day 1 might be a little bit of a review for you, but I think that's okay since it's been so long. So we're going to start with decoding day 1. And for decoding day 1, we're going to start with our sound review. And so if you look here, I'll show you the cards. I'll give you a minute to say the sound, and then I will say the sound, okay? So what is this first sound? Ah, all, ah. And remember, you can use the picture here in the corner to help you with this, with these. I, uh, ah, a, or, a, baby, it's E, I, chun, ow, ow, li, ch, a, o, I. Good job. And next we are in our exercise book. And so we're going to look at the first box here, and you'll see you have a new spelling pattern. You have EW and UE, and they both make a OO sound. What sound? OO. So looking at the first word here, the underlined part is what? Ooh. And the whole word is crew. Looking at the next one, the underlined part is ooh again, and the whole word is blue. So read your sentence that has your new word spellings in it, okay? Ooh, 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 and read the sentence. The crew works on the new blue ship. And we're going to go ahead over here and practice reading the words. Read the underlined part first and then read the whole word. So what is the underlined part? Ooh, and the word? New. Next word, read the underlined part. Ooh, and the word? Few. Next word? Ooh, and the whole word? Drew. Next word? Ooh, and the whole word? Stew. Go down to row C, read the underlined part, oo, and the whole word, blue. Next, underline, oo, whole word, clue. Next word, underline, true, whole word, underlined, oo, whole word, true. Next word, underline, oo, whole word, glue. We're going to do the same thing down here. Read the underline part. Ah, whole word, pop. Next, just. Send. What's the word part? All, wall. Underline, toot. Next word, underline, please. Okay, going down here to A2, we're going to read some rhyme words. The first word is old, cold, fold. Next word, look, took, book. Go up to row B. Row B, now we're working with the bossy E sound. So that makes, remember, that makes the vowel a long vowel sound. Read the long vowel sound and then the whole word. What is the first sound? A and the word wake. Next, O and the word robe. Next, I, the word times. Next, a word taped. Next, this was a little tricky because you're used to calling this R and it's actually air, and the word stared. Next one, I, and the word smiled. Next one, O, and the word closed. Going down to the bottom, read the words with a long O. It's an open syllable. That means the O goes a long way and says its name. What is the first one? No, go, so. Next one, what's the underlined part? It's an open syllable, so it says po and the word hippo. And on the bottom, as an open syllable, it says O and the word opened. Next, we're going to go to row C, read the underlined part and the whole word. Ready? Hippo and the whole word hippos. Next one, postcard, whole thing, postcards. Next, screech, screeched. Next, slipper, slippers. Next, yawn, yawned. Next, sleep, sleeping. Going down to the bottom, we have multisyllabic words. So read the word parts. Many, bird. Next, Africa. Next, scraggly, cat. And next, carefully. And on the bottom, now read it quick. Mini bird, Africa, scraggly cat, and carefully. And we're going to D, row D, more multisyllabic words. Read them. Read the parts. Habit, manners, different, puddle, ordinary, finally, exactly, unfolded, and now read them quick. Habit, manners, different, puddle, ordinary, finally, exactly, unfolded. And row E, ready, refill, retired, action, fiction, and the tricky words. breakfast, adventure, that's a really tricky word, really weird spelling, Ben, put, world. Okay. On the bottom here, read the word parts for A. Un means not. That's a prefix. It goes before a word. So un in the front of a word means not. So unhappy means not happy. What is your word? Your word is unhappy. Read the sentence. She is unhappy when she is sick. And row B. Un, remember, means not again. So unkind means not kind. What is the word? Unkind. And the sentence. Don't be unkind to your friends. Okay, Jaden, you did a good job with your decoding practice. Now go ahead and get out your storybook, and you are going to read Unit 3, Story 1. So go ahead and read Story 1. Maybe you can read it to yourself, read it to your brother, read it to your dad. Go ahead and read that story, and I will see you for decoding again next time. Bye.